All right, so this demo is being done kind of a just in case somebody ends up being disallowed from attending due to close contact. I'm going to demonstrate how the student would be able to monitor the class. As long as I know in advance, I will try to do the following. I need you to log into a machine using your Tech Campus credentials, which would be in the format of 1234566 @student.techcampus.org. When you're logged in and you've got your bookmarks here, I want you to go to the option of Schoology. From there, if you need to, click on Courses and select this course, Game Programming and Virtualization. Once there, on the left-hand side, the navigation option should include an option to get to a conference. As time permits, I will create a conference, something like third session class, and I'll create it. At that point, I should be able to turn on a camera and a microphone and help a student follow along with what's going on. Once the conference is started, they should be able to join. And I join with a microphone and allow. Testing 1, 2, 3. Can you hear me? I'm not sure. I'll say yes, and hopefully that's good. And now I'm going to share my webcam, which hopefully it will find. And you should be able to see me as well as chat with me. The seeing me part will be the classroom, and the hearing me part hopefully will be through here. And that's what we're going to try. If that part works, it depending on how long you're out for, and if the tech department's behind me, I might be able to set up remote access, but that's not presently in our plans, but I'm willing to do what I can for students. All right, I'll pump this up to YouTube and see if it helps.